Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how you can turn off Twitter's sensitive content setting. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. And please remember this option is not available in Twitter Android application. So we have to go Twitter through your web browser. So the first step is you need to go to your web browser. You can choose any web browser for this. I like to use Samsung default browser. Just tap on it and you need to go to Google. After go to Google, you need to type Twitter. The first option is here. Tap on it, and now it is called as x.com. The first result, tap on it. It will take a small time to load. If you see login your username and password or login your Gmail account, please give the credentials according to your account, then you can log into your account. I am currently logged into my account, so I don't need to give those information again. Okay, the Twitter is completely loading. After loading, you can see your profile icon in top left corner. Just tap on it. Then you can see there is the option called setting and privacy in the bottom section. Just tap on it. Okay, there are a bunch of options here. The one option is you can see privacy and safety. Just tap on it, and under your activity there is the option content you see. Tap on it. Okay, the first option is display media that do may contain sensitive content. Currently it is turned off. You need to tap on it, then it will turn on. And you need to change another thing. Go to search setting in the bottom, and the two ticks are open. Hide sensitive content. If you need to see the sensitive content, you need to untick this. Just tap on it. Okay, now you can see sensitive content on your Twitter. So that's how you need to turn off sensitive content setting. So if you gain some knowledge from this, please give a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you soon in new video.